Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by deciding exactly what you want to understand and why. This narrows focus and prevents busy work. Once done, collect the minimum materials you need and skim the chapter to map the terrain, headings, key formulas, and example problems. Doing a short preview primes your memory and reveals gaps so you know where to dig deeper. Make sure to set a single measurable goal for this session. That makes every minute purposeful and easier to schedule. You now move into active study. Work in concentrated blocks and force retrieval. Try solving a problem before checking notes because struggle builds understanding. After each section, explain the idea aloud or teach an imaginary peer. That reveals weak points and reinforces connections. Once done, write 1 or 2 concise summary sentences to lock the main idea. Make sure to alternate problem practice, with short breaks to keep attention high and avoid passive rereading, which feels productive but rarely deepens comprehension. You finish by consolidating. Schedule a quick review after a day to force long-term retention and reattempt mixed problems to test transfer. If you hit persistent errors, classify them. Conceptual gaps need explanation. Careless slips need slow, methodical practice. Once done, create a short corrective plan. A few targeted mini-sessions focused on the specific weak point and worked examples that illustrate the concept. If progress stalls, make sure to swap tactics. Change examples, use visuals, or ask a peer for a different explanation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.